Hey, thanks for popping in. This is James Crouch. I just want to leave a little intro for those of you who might be popping over from one of Diamond's channels. Just want to say howdy. It's one of your Leak Cops at LeakCon 2019. Everyone was really great. I was really impressed by all the different points of view and people being able to talk about them without feeling ashamed or being put down or threatened. It went so smooth. I was really impressed. If you're here for the bees, fantastic. Tomorrow I'll be doing 5 inspections, be throwing up some videos, probably do some splits. The next day I'm picking up 2 more hives, so by the weekend we should be pushing 10. And then the rest of the channel will be like DIY and adventure. I got a forge I need to build, 3D printer I need to put back together. Done a lot of caving, probably do more of that, water sports, and then general stuff. Hopefully I won't get hurt. Tune in and find out.